In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Excel file Smallpdf. By the end, you'll be able to turn a PDF with tables or lists into a clean, editable spreadsheet in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to smallpdf.com. This site focuses on PDF tools, and the PDF to Excel converter is one of the simplest to use. Give the page a second to load. You should see a clean dashboard with a range of PDF options. Next, click on Log In at the top of the page. Signing in helps you access the conversion tool reliably and makes downloading your results straightforward. On the login screen, select Continue with Google. This connects your Google account securely and saves you the hassle of creating a separate password. When prompted, choose your Google account from the list and confirm. You won't need to type out any personal details here. Just pick the account and proceed. Once you're signed in, look for the PDF to Excel tool on the home page. It's typically visible among the main tools. Click it and you'll be taken to the converter page. Now upload your PDF. You can drag and drop the file into the upload area or click to browse your computer and select it. For best results, use a PDF that clearly contains tables or structured data. If the document is scanned or photographed, Smallpdf will attempt to recognize the text, but the accuracy depends on image quality and how neatly the tables are arranged. After you upload, the conversion begins automatically. You'll see a progress indicator while the file is processed. Larger files or PDFs with many pages may take a bit longer, so let it finish without refreshing the page. When the conversion is complete, you'll see the option to download your new Excel file. Click Download to save the converted .xlsx file to your computer. Choose a familiar folder so you can find it easily. Open the file in Excel or any compatible spreadsheet app and give it a quick review. Check that the headers, columns, and rows line up the way you expect. If something looks off, try adjusting column widths or formatting cells. Sometimes a complex layout in the PDF can cause merged cells or extra spacing, which is normal and easy to tidy up. That's it. You visited Smallpdf, signed in with Google, opened the PDF to Excel tool, uploaded your file, and downloaded the converted spreadsheet. If you repeat this with similar documents, you'll get faster each time. Thanks for watching and happy converting.